Good afternoon, dear students. All are fine. Okay. One thing, the term exam is very near to us, is it? Onam is coming in few days. We are going to celebrate our Onam, is it? Then in front of Onam, what is there? There is term exam, is it? Yes. So study well for preparing for term exam. Please prepare all subjects for term exams. And in previous class, what we discussed the exercise 2.5, is it? We discussed the exercise 2.5 and in chapter 2 polynomials, is it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss the following questions. Okay, that is, we discussed at almost third question. First one, is it? Today we are going to discuss second question. Third one, second question. What is the second? We want to, what is third question? Third question is, factorize the following using appropriate identities. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Second one question is 4y square minus 4y plus 4y plus 1. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. What is the answer? What is the answer? We want to factorize. In 4y square, what we can write? That is 4y square minus 4y plus 1 equal to, what we can write? That is 2y the whole square. Is it? Can we write? That is 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square. Can we write like this? Yes, that is 2y the whole square means here in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. Is it? Or in the form x square minus 2xy plus y square. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is, here what we can write? Here what we can write? We can write what? That is, here is x means 2y and y means 1. Is it? Yes. That is, we can write 2y minus 1 the whole square. 2y minus 1 the whole square. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, when we factorize, that is 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. 2y into 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. Have you done your homework in previous class? Good. Okay. Any doubt from that section? Okay. That is, next one is, are you ready to solve next question? Are you ready? Okay, that is third one is, what is third one? X square minus y square by 100. Y square by 100. We want to factorize this. That is, which way we factorize? Which way we factorize? That is, here x square minus y square by 100. What we can write? That is, we know x square minus y square. We know this identity. That is x plus y into x minus x square minus y square means x plus y into x minus y. Is it? Yes. That is what we get here. Here we can split x square minus y by 10 the whole square. Is it? X square minus y by 10 the whole square. Can we write? Yes. That is, this is in this form. Is it? This is in this form. Is it? Is it correct? Yes. That is, we can write x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. X plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10 using this identity. Using this identity. Okay. Can you follow me? Okay. And next one is what? Fourth question. Fourth question is what? Expand each of the following using suitable identities. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. We want to expand with the suitable identities. That is, next one is, first question is what? First question. First question is x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. X plus, that is I write for question. First one is what is? Question is x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. We want to expand. We want to expand. What is the x plus y plus z the whole square? What is the answer? That is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Is it? X plus y plus z the whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Using this identity, we can expand this. That is, here is x is x. That is x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square equal to, that is x square plus y square plus, here y is 2y, that is 4y square plus, or we can write what we can write? We can write 2y the whole square plus, what is z or 4z, that is 4z the whole square plus, is it? Is it? Yes, plus, and next is 2xy, 2 into x into y is 2y plus 2yz plus 2zx. 2zx. This is the expansion. That is, we get what we get? X square plus 2y square means 4y square plus 4y square plus 4z square means 16z square plus 16z square plus 2 into x into 2y, that is 4xy, 4xy plus 4xy plus 2 into 2 8, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16, 16yz plus 2 into 4 8, 8zx. We can check the answer. Is it? Is it? Is it? That is x square plus 4y square plus, is it? 4y square plus 16 z square plus 4xy plus 16 yz plus 8zx. Is it? 8zx. That is, when we expand x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square, we get x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus, is it? Any doubt? Plus 4xy. That is 2 into 2. We get 4xy plus 16yz plus 8zx. And next one is, what is next one? Next one is 2x minus y plus z the whole square. What is next question is? What is next question? Next question is, second one is 2x minus y plus z the whole square. We want to find. That is, here we also use this identity. That is, here we can write 2x plus minus y plus z the whole square. That is, we can write starting x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy, 2 into 2x into negative y, here y is negative y, plus 2yz, that is 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into zx, that is 2 into z into 2x, 2 into z into 2x. This is z, this is 2. Okay, no confusion? There is any confusion? Okay, that is what we get. We get 2x square means 4x square plus y square, negative y whole square means y square, positive y square plus z square plus 2 into 2, 4. Here is negative y, so minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 2 into 2, 4, 4zx. That is, answer is 4x square plus y square plus z square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. 4zx. That is the answer for second one. And third one is, what is our third one? Third one question is negative negative 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. 2z the whole square. So we can find using identity. That is, what is minus 2x plus 3y plus z the whole square. That is, here we can write minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. That is can write x square. Here minus 2x is x. Minus 2x is x. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy, that is 2 into negative 2x into 3y plus 2yx, 2yx, sorry 2yz, 2zx, 2zx, that is what we can write? We can write minus 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 2z the whole square plus 2 into minus 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into 2z plus 2 into 2z into minus 2x, that is we can write 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square plus, here we get negative because 2 into negative 2, negative 4, 3 into 3, negative 12xy plus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12yz plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into negative 2, minus 8, that is minus 8zx. This is the answer. This is the explanation. This is the solution or this is the explanation. Is it? Any doubt? That is, next one is, what is our next one? Fourth one question is 3a minus 7b, 3a minus 7b plus, sorry, minus c the whole square, minus c the whole square, that is 3a minus 7b minus c the whole square equal to, what we get, 3a the whole square plus negative 7b the whole square. Here we can write 3a plus negative 7b plus negative c the whole square, that is 3a square plus negative b the whole square plus negative c the whole square plus 2 into xy, 2xy, that is here x is 3a and y is negative 7b plus 2yz, that is 2 into 7, negative 7b into negative c plus 2 into zx, negative c into 3a, 3a, that is what we get, 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 7, 6 into negative 7, 42 ab, 2 into 7, 40, that is negative 2 into negative 7, negative 40, negative 40 into negative 1, that is plus 14 BC plus here not plus because 2 into 3 6, 6 into negative 1 minus 6, that is negative 6 Ca. Negative 6 Ca. This is the answer. This is the solution, or this is the expansion. This is the expansion. Any doubt? And next one is, what is fifth one? Fifth one means, question is negative 2x plus 5y minus 3z the whole square. 3z the whole square. We want to find or expand. We can write negative 2x plus 5y plus negative 3z the whole square equal to, that is, what is answer? X square, negative 2x the whole square plus y square, 5y the whole square plus and z square minus 3z the whole square plus 2xy, 2 into negative 2x into 5y plus 2yz, that is 2 into 5y into negative 3z, that is 2yz, and plus this one is plus, what is 2 into negative 3z into negative 2x, negative 2x, that is negative x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, that is what we get? We get 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square plus, here is 2 into negative 2, we get negative 4, negative 4 into 5, we get negative 20, so negative 20 xy, here 2 into 5, 10, 10 into negative 3, we get negative 30, so negative 30 yz plus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, we get 12, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12, that is we get positive 12 zx. This 2 into negative, we get negative 6, negative 6 into 2, we get negative 12, that is we get plus 12 zx, that is 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 20xy minus 30yz plus 12zx. 12zx. Is it? Yes. That is the solution for fifth one. Sixth one is for your homework. Sixth one is for your homework. Please write homework notebook and find the solution. Okay, and here we get that fifth one, and your homework is sixth one. Sixth one, that is question number 4. 6 is homework. 6 is homework. In your exercise 2.5, page number is 49. Next, we are going to discuss our question fifth question. Fifth question is factorize 4x square plus, we want to factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 8z square plus 16 here is question is mistake, sorry, that is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12 xy minus 24y z minus 16 xz. 16 xz. Is it? Is it? Yes. We want to factorize. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? Which way we can factorize? Which way? Which way? That is, here we can write 4x square means 2x square plus 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 16z square means 4z the whole square plus 2xy, 2 into 2x into 3y. Is it? Is it? Yes. And here is negative minus yz. That means z must be negative. That is, we can write 2 into, here is y is what? 3y. And z is what? Negative 4z. Negative 4z. Minus 2 into x means 2x and z means negative 4z. All are equal? Is it? Is it equal? That is, 2x square means 4x square. 2x the whole square means 4x square and 3y whole square means 9y square and negative 4z the whole square means 16z square. 16z square plus 2 into 2 we get 4. 4 into 3 we get 12. We get 12. And here is x and y are not negative. Because when x or y negative, then here is also negative. So here is positive. So here is negative 24 yz. That means z must be negative. So we put a negative sign to or corresponding 4z. That is negative 4z. Negative 4z whole square means 16z square. 4z square means 16z square. 4z the whole square equal, that is 4z whole square equal to negative 4z the whole square. Negative 4z the whole square. We can write these are equal. And next one. So here is we get 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 3 12 and 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4 is 6 into 4 is 20. 6 into 4 is 24. That is, we get negative 24 is that, and also 2 into 2. That is, here is what? Here is plus 2 into 2x into 2 into 2x into minus 4x Z, that is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, negative 16, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into negative 4, we get negative 16 xz. Is it? Yes. That is, here we can write, what we can write? We can write 2x plus 3y plus 4z negative 4z the whole square, is it? Yes, that is, we can write what 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square, the whole square. This means 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z, 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. These are the factors. And next one is for your homework. In the fifth question, second one is homework for you. This operation is same as in the operation when we do in first question. The steps are same and just integers or numbers are changing. And next one question is sixth one. We want to write the following cubes. Write the following cubes in expanded form. We want to write the cubes in expanded form. That is sixth one. First one is, first I write the expansion of x plus y whole cube. Our identity, that is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, or x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. These are equal. That is 3xy into x, 3x square y, and 3xy into y, 3xy square, 3xy square. And here first question is what? 2x plus 1 the whole cube. 2x plus 1 the whole cube. X plus 1 the whole cube. That is, here what is x? 2x the whole cube plus what is y cube? 1 cube plus, that is 3xy, 3 into x into y into x plus y, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, is it? Yes, that is, we get 8x cube. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. That is, we get what we get? 8. That is 8 cube plus 1 plus 6x into 2x plus 1. That is 8 cube, 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. That is, we can rearrange in ascending order. 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. This is the expanded form of 2x plus 1. That is 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. This is the expanded form of cubic cubes expansion. Is it? And next one is what is? Second one is what is the identity for? What is the identity for x minus y the whole cube? What is the identity? That is x cube minus y cube. Is it x cube minus y cube? And next, what is minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. 3xy square. That means we can write x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. Is it? In identity, we have in your textbook, that is the identity in textbook page number is what? Page number is 47. 47, there is our identity. That is x cube minus y cube minus 3x into x minus y. Is it? Now what is next question? Second one question is what? 2a minus 3b the whole cube. 2a minus 3b the whole cube. We want to find, that is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy. 2a is x and y is 3b, and next is into x minus y, that is 2a minus 3b. That is here also 8a cube minus, here is, sorry, square is not cube, that is 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27b cube minus 6, 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 2, 6 into 3, 18 AB into 2a minus 3b. That is 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b, 36a square b plus 3 into 18, 3 into 18, what we get? That is 18 into 3, 4, 2, 54. That is 54 AB square. That is answer is, we can rewrite 8a cube minus 36a square b plus 54 ab square minus 27b cube. 27b cube. That is, the answer is 8a cube minus 36a square b plus 54 ab square minus 27 b cube. Is it? This is the solution for second one. And there is like this, two questions are there. That is third part and fourth part also for your homework. In question number 6, third part and fourth part is also for your homework. And next one is evaluate following using suitable identities. Evaluating following using suitable identities. That is, first one is what? 99 the whole cube. 99 the whole cube. 99 the whole cube. We want to value. That is 7th question. First one. 7th question, first one. That is, here we can write 99 is, that is, we can write 100 minus 1 the whole cube. 100 minus 1 the whole cube. We can write. That is, we can write 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. Is it? Yes. That is, here 100 cube means 100 into 100 into 100. That is 10 lakh. Is it? As minus 1, 1 2 means 1, 1 2 means 1, and 3 into 100 means 300 into 99 into 99. We are using these identities, that is x minus pi the whole cube. So x cube minus pi cube minus 3x into x minus pi. That is, here what we get? We get, is it? S. And next one is what we get? That is minus 99 into 300. 99 into 300. That is 729. That is 100,000, 10,000. That is 29,000 and 29,700. That is when we that is what we get. Here is what is 300. 100 cube means 100. That is 100 into 100 into 100. That is, we can write, is it? S. And 1 cube means negative 1, is it? And we get also 300 into 99 is not here 99 because 100 minus 1. That is what we get. There is some mistake, so we can rewrite minus 1 minus 30,000 minus 300 minus 300. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus of 1 plus that is 10303. That is it? Is it? That is, we get this 9, is it? Here is also 9. Here is also 9. That is 6. Here is also 9. This is what we get. 1 minus That is, in multiplication there is also a mistake, because here is negative 300 into negative 1. That is, here must positive 300. So next step what we get, that is negative 1 negative plus 300. That is, we can write here is what, 1 0 0, is it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here is 1 0 0 3 0 0 and minus 3 0 0 0 1. That is, we get what we get, 1 0 0 0 3. That is 9. Here also 9 3 9 6. Is it? That is, here is 3 10 9, 10 minus 1 9, here is 9, here is 2, so 0, 2 minus 0 2, 0 minus